In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Shopify Collaborator request. Collaborator access is essential if you need external help, like a developer or a designer, to work on your Shopify store, and it allows them to access parts of your store while keeping sensitive information secure. To begin, you need to log in to your Shopify admin. It's crucial to make sure you're logged into the correct account, as your collaborator will need specific permissions that match your store's needs. Once you're logged into your Shopify admin, look to the left side of your dashboard. Here, you will see several options and settings to choose from, but for this task, go ahead and click on the settings link located at the bottom of the sidebar. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your store. On this page, look for the option labeled Users and Permissions. Click on it to proceed. This section is where you can manage existing users, invite new users, and review who has access to what. Now, you want to click on the button that says Add Staff. Once you're in the Add Staff screen, it's time to fill out the basic details required for collaborator access. Find the field where you need to enter an email address, and here, type in the email address of the person you are providing access to. Make sure that the email address is correctly typed because a simple typo could result in access issues or delays. After entering the email address, you will notice several permission checkboxes appear below. This is where you can fine-tune exactly what areas of your store the collaborator will have access to. Carefully consider the permission levels you need to grant. It can range from orders to products, and even to apps or settings, depending on what work they'll be doing. If you're unsure which permissions they need, it's always a good idea to ask the person you're collaborating with for guidance or to start with minimal access and adjust as necessary. Finally, double-check all the information you have entered, and if everything looks good, go ahead and click the Send Invite button. This action will send out an email invitation to your collaborator. They will need to accept this invitation before they can access your store, so inform them to keep an eye out for the email. Ensure you communicate any steps they might need to follow once they receive the invite, such as creating a Shopify account if they don't have one. And that's how you send a Shopify Collaborator request. Remember, careful management of permissions is vital as it helps maintain the security and integrity of your store. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.